തെലുങ്കില് ഡയലോഗ് മാത്രമേ ഞാൻ പറയാറുള്ളൂ. ഐ ക്യാൻ ടെൽ. സ്വന്തമായി ഉണ്ടാക്കി തെലുങ്ക് സംസാരിക്കാൻ അറിയില്ല. ഫസ്റ്റ് മൂവി ദസറയായിരുന്നു. പിന്നെ രംഗബലി, ദേവര, റോബിൻഹുഡ്. പിന്നെ കഴിഞ്ഞ ഫെബ്രുവരി, ലാസ്റ്റ് ഫെബ്രുവരി വി സ്റ്റാർട്ടഡ് ദ ഷൂട്ടിംഗ് ഓഫ് കല്യാൺ കോമ്രേഡ്. ദിസ് നൗ February finished and now it is June. 1.5 year. I don't know how these people is going with one movie 1.5 year. I did 15 movie or in between in Malayalam, Tamil, like still I thinking that's very less. But in between 1 month they will call for 2 days. So I want to match the continuity look in between from there. And before this last schedule, it was a big gap because one movie I had big Tadi, Vilya Tadi, other Amalinde Padayirunnu. Here I am playing the military character, so that never match. One schedule we did with the little Tadi. Every time I will tell, I Tadi irukku, Tadi illa. അപ്പോൾ അതൊക്കെ എല്ലാം കൺവിൻസ്ഡ് ആയി സാർ ഒരു കാര്യം പറയും. പക്ഷേ ലാസ്റ്റ് ഒരു ഗ്യാപ്പ് വന്നല്ലേ, അത് താടി കാരണമാണോ? ഞാൻ തമിഴാണോ പറയണേ തെലുങ്കാണോ പറയണേ എന്നറിയില്ല. പക്ഷെ പൊതുവേ ഞാൻ തമിഴിലാണ്
ట్రాన్స్లేట్ అదే కదా,
తమిళ్ தெரியுமா?
హోల్ కాలేజ్ లాగే ఉంటుంది. కాలేజ్కి పెద్ద నేను చేస్తే సో బెటర్.
యా మలయాళం தெரியுமா?
ఎనకు తెలియం సార్, உங்களுக்கு தெரியாது, నేనేం చెప్తాను అది. సో బెటర్ యూ ఓన్లీ స్పీక్. నాకు కోన వెంకట గారికి మాత్రమే మలయాళం వచ్చామో ఇక్కడ అనిపిస్తుంది ఇందాక నుంచి, ఆయనకి రాదునే. ప్లీజ్ సార్ గో హెడ్. ఐమ్ సారీ టు ఇంటరప్ట్, ప్లీజ్.
And after this much Telugu movie, first time I seeing my lead actor after the shot, I seeing he got the idea. ഷൂട്ട് കഴിഞ്ഞതിനപ്പുറം ഒരു ലീഡ് ആക്ടറിനെ കണ്ടത് പുള്ളിനെയാണ്. ഷോർട്ട് കട്ട് കഴിഞ്ഞ ഓൾ ഡിസപ്പിയർ. ബട്ട് ആഫ്റ്റർ ദാറ്റ് ഐ സീ ഹീസ് and I said, and he also said, you can tell that my name. You remember that day in Manipal we sit and I came from the pool and we drink and eat and went to the sea and came back and I slept. I don't know. I didn't sleep. You slept.
Okay.
That is our first experience after the shoot. Thank you, Sri Vishnu, Venkit sir, Janaki Ram. Janaki Ram ഇടയ്ക്കിടയ്ക്ക് മലയ്ക്ക് പോകുന്ന വേഷത്തിൽ വരും അല്ലേ? അപ്പം ഞാൻ വന്ന് കുറച്ച് കുളിസിത കുറച്ച് നോട്ടി വാർത്തകളൊക്കെ പറയുമ്പോൾ പുള്ളി പറയും, നോ 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 നോ, ഈ putting what was that? You come with a Shabarimala dress? Shivamala, okay. Some schedule he will come with color dress. Some schedule now he's back in color dress. Everything finished. And the last schedule is going on. And the cameraman, I'm working with the second movie, Robin Hood, I worked with him. And with Mahima, I worked. Mahima vannatilla. So first time, Karthik Monik said about Sir. He's a good writer, made a lot of movies, like good movies. And I choose movies like here, a familiar name or familiar actor. In this, I didn't found anything, but now in this moment, it's more than that. It's a very good quality and a new movie. Other all movies came well, technically well, big movies, but this is a new movie. Every time I work in movies, I worked as an assistant director. We every time tell, don't make big movies. We want a new movie, new story, new movie. So you people achieved that, and the song, nan still I watched it, but in big screen it's more good. And thank you.
Shine Tomji, thank you so much. I'll take, sir. Give little time to me. Thank you so much. Thank you. You're a fantastic actor. సో ఆయన యాక్టింగ్తో ఆల్వేస్ ఎడ్జ్ ఆఫ్ ద సీట్ కూర్చోపెడతారు. ఇవాళ కూడా ఎడ్జ్ ఆఫ్ ద స్టేజ్ ఉండి ఆయన మొత్తం స్పీచ్ ఇచ్చారు. నేను లోపల నుంచి ఎక్కడ ఆయన ఇంకొక స్టెప్ వేస్తారా అనుకున్నాను. బట్ సార్, ఎవ్రీ ఫిలిం యూ డన్ అ ఫెంటాస్టిక్.
Every movie you watched.
Yes, sir. Mostly I watched. I don't know. Okay. Thank you so much. I have watched Dasara. I watched Devara. I watched Robin Hood. Yes. I'm going to watch Comrade Kalyan.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you so much, sir.
Taku
That's it.
Maharaj.
Yeah, I've watched it. Thank you so much. And stay back, sir. ఇప్పుడు అందరినీ మనం వేదిక మీద